In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Activecampaign newsletter. Whether you're new to Activecampaign or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Activecampaign website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in, so look for the login option and click it. This is where you'll enter your account details, so go ahead and type in your account name. After that, simply click the login button to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Activecampaign dashboard. From here, locate the campaigns option, which is typically found along the top menu or in a side navigation panel, and click on it. This is the section where you can view any campaigns you've already created and start new ones. Next, you'll want to begin crafting a new campaign, so click on Create a Campaign. Activecampaign will then prompt you to select the type of campaign you want to create. Choose the option that best suits your needs, from regular emails to automated ones. After selecting the type, the next step is to give your campaign a name. A clear descriptive title can make it easier to track and manage later. Once you've named your campaign, the next screen will prompt you to enter a subject line. A compelling subject line can greatly impact your open rates, so make it engaging. After setting that up, you'll want to move on to designing the email itself. Click on Create with Email Designer to launch the design interface. Here you'll have the option to choose from a variety of templates, which can save you a ton of time on layout work. Select a template that aligns with your message and brand by clicking on Select. With the template chosen, you can now personalize it, modify text, images, and colors as needed to suit your campaign's goals. When you're satisfied with the design, click Next to proceed. The following step involves selecting your audience by subscribing to the appropriate list or lists. This decision determines who receives your newsletter, so double check that you've selected the correct audience. From there, click on Address to ensure your mailing address information is correct. Finally, to send your Activecampaign newsletter, simply click on Send Now. And just like that, your newsletter is on its way to your subscribers. Remember, sending newsletters is a great way to keep your audience engaged and informed, so repeat this process as needed to maintain consistent communication. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and I hope you find these steps helpful in sending your next Activecampaign newsletter.